Hello and welcome to Tatsulok FB. Let's build this fingerboard from a YouTube subscriber. I've got the parts set and ready, so let's jump right in and do this. Let's open the deck first. We have a sticker pack, a pair of truck risers, board rails, and a piece of foam tape. Let's take a quick look on this deck. We have this Civilmade coffee-inspired real wear graphic in 34mm size, with a green top ply and laser engraved with the board's complete info. And this board features a massive 7-ply thickness, medium high kicks, and a medium concave, all finished with a beautifully rounded edge. Let's put the foam tape on so we can start rolling the build. I'll be making a grip gap to highlight that nicely engraved brand. I don't usually do a grip gap, but Lee especially requested it, so I happily obliged. Now I really regret having that cup of coffee earlier, because I'm having a hard time placing a straight edge on this foam tape. Now with that out of the way, let's trim the edges. A quick wipe to remove any residue. Then let's start making those truck holes. And let's do that signature perfect countersinks like I usually do. As per request, let's put my sticker. Oh boy, Lee really knew what to include in his build. No less than dynamic trucks for his setup. And these are dynamic special edition trucks in a full chrome color. Enough admiring those beautiful trucks, so let's put them on the deck. Nothing too unusual. It's just me taking care not to strip those base plates. Then a quick check if everything is flush before installing the wheels. And speaking of wheels, no less than junkwheels.co recycled wheels for this build, in a pretty sick black and white swirl matching the coffee vibe of this build. Ah yes, these wheels really contrast the graphic quite nicely. These wheels feel much more realistic than other urethane wheels. Another quick check if everything is in order. I'm good with that. Let's do a kickflip test. Nope, I won't be denying Lee his first kickflip on this particular set. So there you have it. Huge shout out to Ash, who is the main inspiration for this video. So go tell your classmates that I built your dad's fingerboard. I would also like to thank you, Ash, for your continued support to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this build and I'll see you on the next.